Hello friends, this is Data Guru from Infoloomia. Today we will understand how to create database in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So let's connect the SQL Server via Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Connect database engine. Here we can put your username and password with proper authentication. Let's connect. So these are the databases. Let's create new database. Here you can see a dialog box for new database, and here we can put the name of database. So let's place my first database. Here you can see a database create two files. First is rows data and second is log file. So in this file, SQL Server store the actual data and this is the log. And this is the path of actual physical files which we can change or we can create database on. So let's change the location. So let's select SQL databases in D drive and same here and click on OK. So you can see a database is created here, my first database. We have second method. We can create a database by a SQL command. So just open the new query window. Here you can type a command create database. Create database name is my second database. So you can create a database by the command create database name. So just press on execute. Now refresh the databases. So here you can see the first database that was created by the GUI, and this is the second database which was created by the SQL command. So that's it dosto. Thank you.